Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Najwa here with HonorSoles.com. Welcome to my channel where I talk all about sneakers. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best Nike shoes in the market right now, specifically the top 5. Now in my opinion, the best isn't the shoe that's the most stylish, the cheapest, or the most expensive, but rather the one that is the most suitable for you. So I hope that in this video, I can help you find the one that's most suitable for you. Alright, hey everyone, so right now I'm at my computer screen, and before I begin as usual, I'd just like to show you guys where you guys can check out a written version of today's content, and that is at honorsoles.com. So that is the sneaker blog for Honor Soles, and if you guys like to check out a written version, all you have to do is go to honorsoles.com, scroll down, and under the top article here, the article will be there. So this was actually last week's content, and by the time that you're watching this video, the written version will definitely be here, the best Nike shoes you can buy right now. So for those of you who are interested to check it out, you can visit honorsoles.com. So now that we put that aside, let's focus more on today's topic itself, which is the top 5 best Nike shoes that you can buy right now. So all these sneakers that I'm going to talk about are general release pairs, so which means that you can get them anywhere. They are not limited edition or anything like that. You can get them at local outlet stores, you can get them easily online, and that's really the main point, to introduce you some of the best shoes that you can just buy instantly right now. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's content with the first shoe that we're going to talk about being the Nike Air Max 270 React. So this particular pair is actually one of the latest sneaker on this entire list because it was only released just a few months ago. And one thing that instantly stands out for this sneaker is that it actually combines the Air Max 270 foam as well as the React foam to really give you this midsole, which really just gives you incredible support. And I must say that I was initially skeptical about the design, but when I put these on, I must say the comfort that you get from the elevation as well as the support on the midsole is just incredible. So comfort wise, in terms of the cushioning on the soles, the support and the responsiveness, you definitely can be rest assured that it's amazing. One thing that I however don't really like about this sneaker is that the upper isn't as breathable and stretchy as I like it to be. So in terms of the quality of the material for the upper, I wouldn't exactly think that it's the best, but nonetheless, overall, the sneaker as a whole, it does gives you a decent and comfortable wear experience. If we're gonna talk about style next, for style wise, this is definitely a pair of shoes that stands out from the rest. As you can see, there is a layering pattern along with many different shades of colors used, and so this really helps the sneakers stand out. So if you're the kind of person that really wants to go for more fancy, outgoing kind of style, then this is really the kind of shoes that you want to be looking for. In terms of size, the Nike Air Max 270 React runs true to size, and they are actually narrower along the toe box as well. So for those of you with wide feet, do note that these are not wide feet friendly, so you may have to go half to one size up for a more comfortable fit. Cost wise, as you can see here on the Nike official site, the retail price is 160 USD, and they are not offering any discounts at all, which is actually not a surprise because these sneakers are only just recently released. But I'm here to introduce to you some other place you can get, and surprisingly, the first place you can actually get them for cheaper than retail is Amazon. So you can see here a simple US 8.5, you can get them at 125 USD with free shipping, which is actually a pretty good deal, a 16% discount from the original price. Besides that, you can also check out one of my favorite online retailers, which is N Clothing, and you can get them at as low as 105 USD, as low as 79 USD, which is just an amazing deal for the high quality material that is used in this shoe, mainly the cushioning technology. So these are some of the places you can check it out. You don't have to go check it out now. I'll leave it down in a link in the description for you guys to check it out. So for the cost of this sneaker at about 100 USD, things like that, I would think that this pair is really worthy buy because of the insane technology that's been incorporated into this simple pair of shoes. So if you're the kind of guy that's looking for a comfortable pair of shoes and also looking for a style that stands out from the rest, then the Air Max 270 React is definitely the kind of shoes that you want to go for. So now moving on to the next pair of shoes that I'm going to discuss today, and that is the Nike Epic React. So the Nike Epic React is one of my favorite sneakers of this list, and the main reason is because it is really functional. You can not only use them for lifestyle uses, such as a lifestyle sneaker on your outings or when you're chilling or anything like that. You can also use them for running or training purposes, and they are really functional. So the main thing that stands out for this particular pair is obviously the React foam, and many has actually compared this to be similar or even more responsive than the Adidas Boost. So this is actually a pair of shoes that really works very well if you are going for a more active use. Comfort wise, I must say that the support provided by the React foam as well as the responsiveness, the stretch from the Flyknit upper really comes together really well to give a really nice wear experience when I put these shoes on. In terms of style, I also prefer them as compared to the Nike Air Max 270 React because I think that the style is slightly simpler with colors that are less fancy, if you get what I mean. And this really helps you to match your clothing easier. So this is why I prefer the Epic React over the Air Max 270. But it really depends on the style preference. As well, if you prefer the more fancy design, then obviously go for the Air Max 270 React. Sizing wise, these sneakers run true to size, and do note that they also have a wider than usual toe box, so this makes them really wide foot friendly. So for those of you who have wide feet, then these are the kind of shoes that you may want to opt for because they do fit true to size for you guys as well. Cost wise, as you can see here, one of the best places to already buy them is the Nike official site. As you can see, just 99 USD at the Nike official site, which is a 30% discount, which is just amazing. And for the quality that these sneakers offers, I would say that this price is a mad steal. Other places you can check out would be Amazon, which actually has them slightly expensive, but they do in fact have a wider selection of colorways because some of the colorways at Nike may be out of stock. Another place you can check out would be Ant Clothing. They do have limited colorways. For example, they only have 1, 2, and 3, but the prices you can see here 79 USD, which makes them extra attractive. So overall, I would say that the Nike Epic React is actually one of my favorite shoes in this entire video today, and the main reason is because they are very functional. They can be used for running and lifestyle. So if you're the kind of guy that wants to go for a pair that allows you versatile use from running, lifestyle, more active use, then this is the kind of shoes that you want to go for. They are in fact also featured in my other videos as one of the most comfortable shoes, as well as one of the best Nike running shoes in the market right now. So you can go check them out and also read more about it if you like to. Now moving on to the third shoe on this list of best Nike shoes in the market right now, we have the Nike Air Max 720. So the Nike Air Max 720 is one of the latest shoes to be released as well, and I would say that it's one of those shoes that offer you a really futuristic and modern design. So immediately, for those of you who are interested in this kind of futuristic modern design, then this is definitely the pair that you have to go for. They are also one of the more expensive pairs on this list, retailing at $180. So without discount, I would really think that it's really not worth it because $180 is kind of too expensive to me. But thankfully, they are on sale on the Nike official site itself. So if you like to get a pair, then this is the place where you can check it out. In terms of style, I would think that the style is really something that stands out. Definitely something that when you're in a crowd, you'll definitely be the one standing out because it really offers a design that you don't see very often. And one of my favorite parts about this shoe is actually this triangular design at the sides. Maybe you can see it more clear for this colorway. This triangular design, which really helps the shoe stand out. And I personally think that it adds a really nice touch to the design. So the overall look is definitely enhanced by this small little detail. Sizing wise, these sneakers do run true to size, and even though they may look a little bit bulky, they actually have a narrow toe box. So for those of you who are thinking of getting it, do note that they are not wide foot friendly, so stick to a true size for normal feet, and if you are wide foot, go for half size up for the best fit. Places you can get them from, as mentioned, you can get them from the Nike official site at a great discount already, or you can check out Amazon for some pretty good deals as well. For example, if I select US 8.5 men, can get at $140. That is still a discount from the original 180 USD retail price, so that makes them a pretty good deal as well. I would also recommend Ant Clothing to check out. You can see you can get them at 95 USD, 125, 190, and there's a whole wide selection for you to choose from. So in terms of where to get them, these are the few places I'll check them out. Mainly I'll just recommend the Nike official site as well as the Ant Clothing site, but Amazon do have some deals once in a while, so you can check them out as well. So now we're gonna move on to the next shoe that we're gonna talk about today, and that is the Nike React Element 55. So the Nike React Element 55 was actually released after the Nike React Element 87 as a more budget option for general public to buy, and I personally prefer it because I also think that the affordability is a really important factor here, and that's why I actually prefer the Nike React Element 55. As you can see here, retail price is 130 USD, but you can easily get them below 100 USD from not just the Nike official site. I'll be showing you guys later on where you can get them for even cheaper. But generally speaking, these are a pair of shoes that I personally really like because of how simple the design looks. In terms of comfort, I must say that these are really comfortable because of the React foam mainly, and it really gives very good responsiveness and support on your soles. So for those of you who are thinking to use this for a long time, then these are definitely the kind of shoes that will be suitable for you, as I've worn this throughout the day and I feel that the support on my soles really feels amazing, especially if your job or your daily lives require you to stand all day. I do, however, not really like the upper. So the upper is actually slightly less breathable because it's made of mesh and not like the Flyknit material that Nike has used for other pair of shoes. But nonetheless, overall the shoe does still offer good comfort. So if your comfort is something you're worried about, then the Nike React Element 55 will definitely not disappoint you. My most favorite thing about this shoe is actually the style. So what I like about the style is that it offers a really simple and yet stylish design. So if you look at the different styles here, the color use are not as fancy, not as extravagant like as compared to the Nike MX 270 React, but they still offer a really stylish look that is easy to match and also at the same time help you stand out. So you can check out some of the colorways here. I personally think they all look amazing. And yeah, so some of the places you can check out to get the Nike React Element 55 is Amazon. For example, you can see here, US9 is just 91 USD with free shipping. Obviously, the Nike official site is cheaper, so you can get them at different prices here. Another place I would recommend is Ant Clothing because they have just a wide selection of colorways to choose from. 69 USD, 69 USD. So these prices makes them really attractive because it's even lower than the Nike official site. So these are some places that I would recommend you getting, mainly the Nike official site, Amazon, as well as the Ant Clothing official site. In terms of sizing, they actually run true to size, and do note that they may look a bit wide, but the toe box region is actually narrow. So for those of you with wide feet, you may need to go half size to one size up for a more comfortable fit. Last but not least, the last sneaker that we're going to talk about today is the Nike MX97. So this sneaker is actually the oldest sneaker on this list, and despite that, it still appears on our best Nike sneakers because I just really love this sneaker for its overall design. Just a fun fact here, the Nike MX97 name came from the fact that it's released in 1997, so it was first released then, and that's why you have the name Nike MX97. So I have an overall look at the sneaker. My favorite part about the sneaker is that it offers this really nice curvature design at the side. So this gives you a really nice narrow, clean, slick design that many other shoes don't offer. So when I put this on, I find that it gives you a really nice, simple, clean look, which really complements your outfits really well. So you can see here, there are many other colorways you can choose from. And generally, I don't really see them on deals most of the time. So on the Nike official site, retail price is $170, which is frankly speaking very expensive. But some other places you can check out for a deal. Amazon also don't have much of a deal. For example, you can see 160 USD, 143 USD, not a bad deal. So just scroll through the sizes. I'll link it all down in the description. Scroll through the sizes and see which one fits you most. But of course, the place I recommend most is still Ant Clothing because they just offer really good discount. For example, 115, 99, 115, 89, and yep, 119. So there's a lot of colorways for you to choose from, and they are all at great deals as well. Great discount from the original retail price of 170 USD. These are some places they can check them out. In terms of sizing, I must say that they do run true to size, and also as you can see from the sneaker, they are definitely the narrow kind of sneakers. So for those of you with wide feet, definitely have to go half to one size up for a more comfortable fit. Overall, I would say that the style of the Nike MX97 is one of my favorite sneakers in this entire list because of how simple and slick the entire sneaker look. So when you put these on with your entire outfit, it really complements your entire outfit well. So if you're the kind that really wants to go for simple design and yet at the same time look good, then the Nike MX97 is what I recommend you to go for. So and that pretty much sums up today's video on the top 5 best Nike shoes you can buy right now. So these sneakers are all really amazing sneakers. I personally own them and I think that they just look amazing and just feel amazing to fit as well. Of course, it depends on your style preference as well. But just to recap, we've talked about the Nike MX 270 React, the Nike Epic React, the Nike MX 720, the Nike React Element 55, and last but not least, the Nike MX 97. All these sneakers are just amazing. I'll link it all down in the description below for you to go check it out. So go check it out, see which one is your favorite, and I also like to hear which one is your favorite. So remember to comment down below as well. Otherwise, it's Nigel with HonorSouls.com. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you again next week.